quotation. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, how we wrap the flower. So you take the flower like this. This is dendrobium. Sonia purple. It has only 2 flowers. The rest has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unlikely this is a young one. So always the young one they produce only few flowers. This is called first one. And in subsequent years we will produce more flowers with longer spikes. Okay, so I will wrap this one so that I can transport it long journey. Just like how you pack chanas. This is how you do. Secure the base, slit it, come with plan to avoid the wrapping paper going up and down. Right. Secure it from here. Now you take few papers like this, you tear it, and then you crumble it, and then you put it here. You see? Okay, now that will protect the plant from some kind of damage. Continue. So this is almost done. Okay, so there you go. Ta-da! Okay, now we are about to finish the packing. This is packing. After that, we have to do loading and loading all the things. Okay. So thank you for supporting me and my activities. I'll show you more.